Welcome back. The GPCC on Saturday held a meeting of various representatives of the local self-governance bodies in and around Kurtori constituency. The representatives want more powers to the panchayats to carry out holistic development. The GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar accused the government of favouring the BJP constituencies while disseminating newly constituted schemes.
The GPCC on Saturday held Rajiv Gandhi Panchayati Raj Sangathan, a campaign supposedly carried out for the empowerment of local self-governance bodies. Sadly, only Kurtori MLA Alex Regina Lawrence and GPCC President were seen convening the meet. Various issues like the problems of availing government scheme forms and the saga of underfinanced and underpowered local self-government bodies were discussed at the meet.
जे नवीन सरकार घडला बीजेपीचे आणि 8 महिन्या भितर जे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन सुरू केलेले आसा फॉर्म्सा संबंधी दोन स्कीम तांणी लॉन्च केल्ले आसा लाडली लक्ष्मी आणि स्वगृह आधार गृहिणी आधार या फॉर्म्सा संबंधी ज्यांचे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आसा हे बरोबर जायना अशें सरपंच म्हणून तांकां थोडोसो अधिकार आसूंक जाय ही फॉर्म्स दिवपा संबंधी घेवपा संबंधी वगैरे तर हे दोन मागणी आणि नंतर मागीर नक्कीच काँग्रेस पार्टीन आमकां दुखयले काँग्रेस सरकारान आमकां आधार केलो ना वगैरे वगैरे हेय विचार आयिल्ले ताजेर तांणी म्हटलां की शेवटी आमचे घरा भितर आमकां समजा कोणें कितें म्हटलें सुद्दां जाता आमी तें घेवन चड तेंप बसचे ना आमकां वायट दिसलें खरें पूण स्टील वी आर विथ काँग्रेस पार्टी वी विल वर्क फॉर काँग्रेस पार्टी एंड वी विल सी दॅट द काँग्रेस पार्टी कम्स बॅक टू पॉवर.
Even if they deny now that both BJP and Congress have begun aggressive mobilization of the masses, it will be interesting to see who takes the pole position in this race. Our reporter from Kurtori, Samir Bhatt.
And now news from sports. Ponda will be abuzz with 58th National School Games for under-19 boys and girls from 19th November to 22nd November. Contest will be held for baseball and tug of war. The event is organized by Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs. Contest will witness 16 teams for baseball and 14 states for tug of war.
फाटली 58 वर्सां स्कूल गेम्स फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया ही संस्था संबंध देशभर काम करता आणि आमी गोंयान जे आतां घेतात बेसबॉल आनी टग ऑफ वॉर ह्या दोन खेळांची परसावन सोमारच्यान हांगा नॅशनल सुरू जाता तर हे जावन आसा 58वें नॅशनल. हाचे वेल्यान तुमकां अदमास येतलो की कशा पद्धतीन स्कूल गेम्स फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया काम करता आणि कितली वर्सां सावन करता.
Director of Sports and Youth Affairs and Organizing Secretary V.M. Prabhudesai gave details of the teams participating in the event. The cost for the event is expected to be around 20 lakh rupees. Event will be held at Taluka Sports Club, St. Mary's High School and A.J. Almeida High School in Ponda from 19 to 22nd November.
बेसबॉला भितर 16 टिमींनी भाग घेतिल्लो आसा आणि टग ऑफ वॉर ह्या खेळान जवळ 14 स्टेटींनी भाग घेतिल्लो आसा. बेसबॉलाचो एक कोर्ट ह्या मैदानाचेर आमी केल्लो आसा तशेंच टग ऑफ वॉराचे 2 कोर्ट आणि बेसबॉलाचो दुसरो कोर्ट जो आसा तो फर्मागुडीच्या गोवा इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजीन जातलो.
Deputy Director Julian Kulaso, Assistant Director Anand Raut and other dignitaries were present for the press brief. A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.